can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, BNB. Over the last 1 month, BNB is up 6.7%. Over the last 1 year, BNB has rallied up by 49.3%. BNB has gotten to new all-time highs. In this video, we look at BNB's performance against the US dollar over the years. We have seen BNB go from as low as $0.14, rallying to a new all-time high of over $850. How high can BNB continue pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks? We also look at BNB's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Is BNB gearing up for that blow off top against Bitcoin? Should we be selling our BNB for some Bitcoin? We'll also look at BNB's market cap. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with BNB's performance against the US dollar. BNB has gotten to new all-time highs, which is good to see. It's been a slow grind, but it's finally gotten there. If we go back in time to see when BNB was launched way back in 2017. So BNB launched around that $0.1 level. But guys, it's been a long ride. It's been a very, very wonderful ride. If you have held BNB through the ups and downs, through the bulls and the bear market, you'd have done good for yourself. Because even if you bought BNB at $1 or at $0.5, that was the first big dip we saw in BNB, the $0.5 level. Since then, BNB has had so many rallies. We had a rally that ended in 2018, January. Then the bear market came. We had another rally again for BNB that ended in May of 2019. Then the bear market came. Then we had the famous 2021 bull market when BNB went parabolic, when BNB went from as low as $8, pumping to as high as $650. And right now in 2025, guys, we have seen BNB get to as high as $850, which means BNB has rallied up by more than 165,000% since September of 2017. In this game, time is your friend. In this game, you have to be patient. If you're patient with BNB through the years, guys, right now, you'd have been singing Kumbaya because just $1,000 invested in BNB in September of 2017, and you held that through the years, through the chaos, through the noise, through all the fraud. Right now, your $1,000 in BNB would have been worth over $1.5 million. But for you to get those gains, for you to extract those gains from BNB, you'd have had to survive different 80+% crash. This 80% crash happened in 2018, 2019. We saw another 81% crash that happened during the COVID sell-off. The bear market of 2022 saw BNB also crashing by a whopping 75%. So for you to get those big gains, you had to stomach big losses. Which brings us to the $1 million question. How high can BNB continue pumping? So market participants got BNB in the bottom of the 2022 bear market. BNB traded for as low as $182. There was a lot of fraud in the market then. CZ is going to jail. What will happen to BNB? What will happen to Binance? The government is going to sue them. But all those just proved to be fraud because BNB continued charging higher. We saw the market rallying higher to higher prices. BNB set all-time highs in May of 2024. We saw another all-time highs in December of 2024. And right now, BNB is giving Bitcoin a run for its money with a 373% rally from the bottom of the bear market, with BNB holders singing Kumbaya. As right now, anytime in history I bought BNB, you would have been in some sweet profits. Let's got some details about BNB. Currently, with the market cap of $118 billion, BNB has a circulating supply of 139.28 million tokens, with the all-time high happened on the 21st of August 2025. We saw it trading for as high as $882. The all-time low happened on the 1st of August 2017. That was 8 years ago. We saw BNB trading for as low as $0.096. You want to get some BNB tokens for yourself? Very easy. You can get some on your favorite crypto exchange, on KuCoin, on HTX, on BitGet, on OKX, on Bybit, and on Binance. Now, if we look at BNB's performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going on a tear. Bitcoin has rallied towards $100,000. BNB getting to all-time highs, following the tracks of Bitcoin, but is it outperforming Bitcoin? Right now, BNB is still struggling against Bitcoin. Historically, all coins outperforming Bitcoin signifies that we're getting to the end of the market cycle. We saw BNB getting to an all-time high in the bottom of the bear market, which was very, very strange. Bitcoin was dumping, the total crypto market cap was dumping. For some weird reason, BNB was growing in strength. And when we saw the bottom of Bitcoin in 2022, the bottom of Bitcoin bear market in 2022, coincidentally, BNB was setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin. But right now, BNB is down from those all-time highs against Bitcoin, as Bitcoin has rallied to new all-time highs from 15,000 where it was trading in December of 2022. BNB has also rallied to all-time highs, going to as high as $880, but BNB has underperformed Bitcoin by 61%. Hopefully, as the market cycle comes to an end, we'll see what we always see at the end of those market cycles. That's all coins outperforming Bitcoin. So I don't think this time will be different. I won't be shocked to see BNB joining the party. What does it mean for BNB to join the party outperforming Bitcoin? We have seen that rally start from the 7th of July. Could easily end at any point in time. But let's not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see a sustained rally for BNB's performance against Bitcoin. If you put it in context that anybody buying BNB right now is looking at it from the perspective of an all-time highs, we really have where to go higher. But the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more there's a chance of a big dump back to Goblin Town. Right now, BNB is preaching a bearish divergence. The RSIs have not gotten to new highs. We're seeing the price getting to new highs. So right now, we're in dangerous territories. Yes, the market looks bullish. Yes, BNB getting to new all-time highs, but after all-time highs eventually lead us to the peak. At some point in time, we'll stop setting all-time highs, and the previous all-time high is going to be a peak. But right now, the all-time high for BNB sits at $883. I'll be expecting BNB to outperform Bitcoin in the final phases of the market cycle. I'll be expecting BNB's market cap to continue chugging up to higher prices. BNB's market cap has gotten to an all-time high of over $118 billion, which is good to see. But again, the indicators are telling us this might be bearish long-term for BNB. We saw BNB's indicator going to a high in April of 2024. Right now, the price is going to a new high without the indicator setting a new high. And usually, that has been a red flag. So how high will BNB go from where we're currently trading? A 10% pump, 20% pump, even a 100% pump is always possible. But you have to put in the back of your mind, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should be very careful. Because in the coming days and the coming weeks, I believe the market cycle is coming to an end. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to see all coins back in focus. We're going to see how market participants are running to the altcoin market, telling you this time is different. BNB will go to $2,000. BNB will go to the moon. Don't fall for the trap. You have to plan your trade and trade your plan. And remember, this time is not different. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see BNB going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you believe we're going to see a huge rally to end the market cycle where BNB will outperform Bitcoin, or you think it's over right now? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.